This dreamlike island in Sabah, Malaysia, renowned for its crystal-clear glass sea, is hailed as the diving paradise. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Penang. Penang is a vibrant state on the northwest coast of peninsular Malaysia, comprising Penang Island and Sabrang Perum.
Gentlemen, welcome to Kelantan Darul Naim. Kelantan, often called the Serambi Mecca, the veranda of Mecca due to its strong Islamic culture, is a fascinating state on the northeastern coast of peninsular Malaysia.
Bayangkan, pelancong luar yang pernah jelajah Eropa, dari gunung salji Switzerland hingga lembah hijau Austria, tiba di Malaysia dan terus terdiam kagum. Mereka tak sangka, di rantau kecil Asia Tenggara ini, wujud pemandangan yang setanding. Malah ada yang kata lebih cantik daripada Eropa. Dari kehijauan Cameron Highlands, birunya Tasik Kenyir, hinggalah ke kejernihan air di Pulau Perhentian. Semua tampak seperti lukisan hidup. Ramai pelancong luar akui, Malaysia bukan sekadar bandar moden dan makanan sedap, tapi sebuah negara yang penuh dengan keindahan semula. Jadi yang menenangkan jiwa. Mereka terkejut bila tahu tempo-tempo ini tidak sejauh yang disangka. Tak perlu tiket ke Switzerland, sebab surga itu sebenarnya ada di sini. Jadi persoalannya, kenapa dunia selama ini tak nampak kecantikan Malaysia yang luar biasa nih? Adakah kita sendiri belum cukup menghargainya?
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Sarawak, the land of the Hornbills, by me, Kenya Lang. As Malaysia's largest state and one of its founding partners, Sarawak offers a rich tapestry of culture, heritage, and breathtaking natural beauty. Here, unforgettable memories are made.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Semporna. This dreamlike island in Sabah, Malaysia, renowned for its crystal-clear glass sea, is hailed as the diving paradise. Mabel Island charms with its rustic fishing village atmosphere, Kapalai's overwater bungalows paint a romantic picture, and sea turtles glide gracefully among coral reefs, a blue dream you must experience in this lifetime. To Penang. Penang is a vibrant state on the northwest coast of peninsular Malaysia, comprising Penang Island and Sabrang Perai. It covers an area of 1,048 square kilometers, with a population of approximately 1.78 million. As a key economic engine of Malaysia, it is driven by electronics, manufacturing, and medical tourism, renowned as the Silicon Valley of the East.
Watiman landok, landok sesama landok, turun ke pantai ladek nandung, membeli berat. Kalau ngendak sesama ngendak, watiman landok, dah berantai ladek nandung, lagi kan terlepas.
One thing that the whole world should know about Malaysia.
Malaysia is the place of everything. If you want the downtown city vibes, you can have that. If you want the village vibes, you can have that. The only thing that you won't find here is winter, which is fine by us. So other than...
We're not complaining, right?
You don't have an issue with being Muslim openly and visibly.
There is always a place to pray. You could be in an airport, you could be at a doctor's office, anywhere, a mall. Like, I feel like we brought in a lot of tourists, not gonna lie. There's actually a lot of people that have even moved here because of our story and, you know, talking about being here in Malaysia. And so I'm really excited for this. Like, people are going to fall in love with the country, and it's such a great initiative.
A lot of people, they want Islamic travel, they just don't know it. They don't want their children to be around a bunch of intoxicated people or naked people. The initiative here that they're doing makes it available for all people, so it's fantastic.
Malaysia may look tiny on the map, but what's hidden inside this country will blow your mind. It sits just north of the equator in Southeast Asia, split into two lands, Peninsula Malaysia in the west and East Malaysia in the east, separated by 643 kilometers of ocean. Altogether, Malaysia is only 330,000 square kilometers. That means it could fit inside Texas. But here's the twist. Over 35 million people live here. That's more than Australia, a country 20 times bigger. Malaysia is a land of extremes. Skyscrapers shine in Kuala Lumpur, while ancient jungles hide in the highlands. These rainforests are older than the Himalayas, older than humans themselves. Taman Negara is 130 million years old, one of the oldest on Earth. With heavy rains and endless rivers, life flows into the South China Sea. That's why Malaysia is one of just 17 mega-diverse countries on our planet. So here's the question. How can a country smaller than Texas hold some of Earth's greatest natural treasures?
Kenapa saya orang Bosnia rasa Malaysia lebih best dari Europe? Tahu kenapa Malaysia adalah tempat terbaik untuk saya dan kepada ramai orang luar juga. Sini semua buka 24 jam. Lapar, jangan risau. Mama ada, nak pergi pasar raya, nak pergi Dobi, semua buka 24 jam. Cuba awak pergi dekat Europe. Lagilah pada musim salji, semua kedai akan tutup awal. Pada hari Ahad, semua kedai akan tutup. Cuaca, sepanjang tahun cuaca tropika. Tak perlu risau nak pergi baju tebal, nak pergi beli boots, nak pergi tukar tayak kereta. Sepanjang tahun boleh je pakai slipper. Ke cuti, saya rasa tak ada negara dalam dunia cuti banyak macam dekat Malaysia. Sebab tu dekat sini. Yang keempat, di shopping mall, di stesen minyak, di taman rekreasi, hampir semua tempat mesti akan ada surau. So tak perlu risau kita nak solat dekat mana. Dan lagi satu, orang Malaysia ni memang peramah. Diorang suka senyum dan tolong orang. Apa lagi kelebihan Malaysia yang saya terlepas pandang? Cuba share dengan saya.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Kuala Lumpur. Kuala Lumpur is the capital and largest city of Malaysia, located in the western part of peninsular Malaysia near the confluence of the Gombak and Klang rivers. The urban population is approximately 8.6 million, and the metropolitan area spans over 2,200 square kilometers. As the financial, cultural, and commercial hub of Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur is home to iconic skyscrapers, bustling street markets, modern malls, and rich multicultural heritage. The city plays a major role in banking, trade, tourism, education, and construction, making it one of the most dynamic urban centers in Southeast Asia. Known for landmarks like the Petronas Twin Towers, vibrant neighborhoods like Bukit Bintang, and its unique blend of tradition and innovation, Kuala Lumpur is a city full of energy and opportunity.
Muhammad Kaim Samani bin Kamaludin. Saya. Aku nikahkan engkau dengan Al-Qulma Fathah binti Alfian yang berwakil walinya padaku.
Assalamualaikum, salam sejahtera. Hari ini bersama saya sekali lagi Penny Becher dalam mengacarkan majlis persandingan yang cukup indah di antara Muhammad Kaim dan Al-Qulma Fathah. Istimewanya hari ini kita bawakan khas majlis yang cukup indah ini bertempat di Hotel Perkasa Kundasang.
Janji kita jaga Ale untuk selamanya. Beta janji akan.
Thank you for following Travel Pack. Welcome to Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia.
Keindahan Malaysia bukan sekadar pada gunung atau lautnya, tapi pada jiwa dan suasana yang mengelilinginya. Alam semula. Jadi di sini hidup dengan bunyi burung, aroma hutan tropika, dan senyuman penduduk yang menyambut setiap pelancong dengan mesra. Berbeza dengan Switzerland yang terkenal dengan salji dan suasana sejuk, Malaysia punya kelebihan unik, 4 musim keindahan dalam 1 tahun. Dari pantai tropika, air terjun jernih, hingga kabus pagi di bukit tinggi. Itulah yang buat pelancong luar jatuh cinta. Karena kecantikannya bukan hanya untuk dilihat, tapi untuk dirasai. Mereka datang untuk berehat, tapi pulang dengan rasa kagum dan kenangan yang kekal. Ramai kata, Switzerland mungkin cantik, tapi Malaysia ada jiwa. Jadi, bila orang luar pun dah mula memuji alam kita, soalnya kita sendiri bila nak mula menghargainya, kongsi pendapat korang. Destinasi alam mana di Malaysia yang paling buat korang rasa bangga?
Rasa sayang, oh rasa sayang, cerita kita takkan pernah hilang.